I am Taro Fujisawa. I am 59 years old. I'm from Kurashiki, Japan originally, but I've been living here in Hawaii last 5 years. I'm a realtor. I sell condominiums. I cannot describe how important she is to us. To me, yeah, she's just the most precious thing in the world. Yeah, we like to spend time together in the nature. Yeah, we love the nature, especially here in Hawaii. There are beaches and there are pretty mountains. So we like to be out in the nature. We enjoy. We live together every day, so there are some good times and sometimes there are some bad times, but yeah, never drive me crazy. She's a good daughter. Good daughter, good kid, good friend. Not really anything, I don't guess. I just enjoy being with friends, having friends. You know what I mean? I cannot describe how important the friendship is to me. But you know, that's everything actually. Well, you know, you become a person you are by meeting people, learning from people, and you know, when you die, you cannot take anything else. You just when you die, you just think of all the friends and your family, and that's the most important thing. Well, you know, of course, you know, relationship different. You know, you make different friends in different countries, but I think it's basically same. Friends are friends all over the world. I think my best friend is just an impeccable friend. I mean, I wouldn't trade him for anything. Our friendship for anything. His name is Taro Fuji. We met him when I was managing the bowling alley in Japan. And one day, and I was hosting. I had a bowling lesson class. So we have like 10 students want to learn how to bowl. So one day, him and his wife came to my bowling lesson. So he's such a good-natured person. So in the class, you need somebody to pick on, right? To make the you know, classroom exciting. You always, you know, pick on somebody, you know, who is good-natured. So Keitaro was the one that I always picked on. Yeah, I always said, "Oh, Keitaro-san, you know, your wife's always, you know, much better bowler than you are. You know, what happened to you? You know, what's wrong with you and all that." So that was our beginning. Then I think about maybe 2 or 3 years later, I was a president of this organization, Junior Chamber International Organization, my hometown Kurashiki chapter. When I was a president, we have new we have new members, right? So new member orientation, you know, there he comes. He joins our organization, and it was a big surprise, and it was really nice to see him again. And from then, we always did things together. We always go out drinking together and eating together, and we used to always go to other countries, organize conventions for this international organization. So we became real good friends, and yeah, he lives in my hometown Kurashiki, Japan, but he does really well in his business also. So he has an office in Tokyo as well. So he goes back and forth between hometown Kurashiki and Tokyo. But you know, he's such a world traveler. He comes to Hawaii often too. So I think I see him more often in Hawaii than I see him in my hometown when I go back. But yeah, I would like to introduce my best friend Taro Fuji to you. He's a challenger. He challenges something new all the time, and he's such a nice natured person. You know, he's always caring for others. He's just all around, you know, good person. I'm sure that I drive him crazy more than he drives me crazy. I would say, Taro, you know, it's been good knowing you. You know, you're my best friend. Thank you for being my best friend.